have a quick and easy video for you guys. I'm going to be making a projector screen and stand with PVC pipes so you guys can enjoy in your backyard with your families, and you can have all of this yummy stuff right here. You guys are going to love it. This is going to be so quick, and it's so affordable, and it's going to look so good. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by making the screen, and I'm going to be using a king size flat sheet from Walmart. You can use whatever you have at home. You can go to the thrift store. You can go anywhere pretty much and get one of these for cheap. You don't have to buy a whole set. This one costs, because it's king size, it costs $14.99, but I'm sure that you can get it cheaper at a thrift store, or if you already have one, go ahead and use it if you're not gonna miss it. All right, so I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to show you how it goes. Okay, so you are going to fold your sheet in half, and you are going to fold it inside out. Here is my sheet folded in half, and as it is right now, the sheet measures at 4 by 10. And the stand where I'm going to place the screen is going to measure at 4 by 8. So I need to trim this a little bit. So let me show you. This is exactly 4 feet. Okay. Just a quarter longer, which is totally fine. So this is 4 1/4. And for the bottom part, what I'm going to do is measure the actual pipe, which is 8 feet long. But I also need to measure the little bit that the elbow is going to give, so I'm able to place the sheet over the PVC pipes without any problems. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that, and then I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to cut. Now I'm going to use hot glue to glue together the left and right side of the screen. And this is pretty much it, guys. Very easy. Now all I have to do is turn my sheet inside out and then iron it a little bit, and it's ready to go. All right, guys, so I am going to do this because it's really hot hot out here. Oh my gosh, I'm melting. All right, so let me give you the measurements of my PVC pipes. Well, first let me tell you what the entire measurement of the whole projector screen is going to be. The entire thing is going to be 8 by 6, but the screen portion of the projector screen is going to be 4 by 8. And I'm going to be using 4 PVC pipes, and they are 1.5 by 10, okay? And then you are going to cut them as follow. So you're going to need 2 8 feet long pipes for the top and bottom of the screen portion of the stand. And then you are also going to need 2 4 feet long pipes for the left and right side of the screen. Then you are going to also need 6 2 feet long pipes that are going to serve as the legs, 3 for the left side leg and 3 for the right side leg. And then you are going to need 4 T's that are going to connect the legs and the screen. And then you are going to need 2 elbows to connect the 4 feet and 8 feet together on the sides, okay? And then you are going to need also, you don't need it, but I need it because I like things to look nice. I got 4 caps that I'm going to place on the legs so everything can look nice and smooth and kind of professional. And that's it, guys. So now I'm going to put it together. It's very easy, I promise. Now my husband and I are going to place the screen over the frame. And there it is.